Here at Lloyd Select Kelso, we are pleased to present this Ford Focus 1litre EcoBoost ST Line X, finished in fantastic red metallic paint with 18-inch diamond-turned alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include dynamic matrix LED headlights, power folding door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and on the tailgate we have the rear camera. As we enter now beneath the tailgate, we can see the load space with the 60/40 rear folding seats with the load through, the parcel shelf and the detachable tow bar. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the sliding panoramic roof from the inside. We have the Ebony Cloth seats with centre armrest, ISOFIX child seat mounts. Entering into the front of the cabin now, we have the heated front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we can see the hands-free mobile controls, digital driver display. We have the head-up display on the dash, and we have the adaptive cruise control. On the touch display, we can see the satellite navigation as well as DAB radio. We also have the rear camera display with park assist, and we also have the heated seat controls. On the centre console, we can see the start-stop button, USB power sockets, and gear selector. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.